Hey guys, and welcome back to Black Hat Gaming. We're still here. We're still building. Today, what we are doing is getting into the big OG, the old school RX-78, man. This is the granddaddy of them all. This is where it all began for me. This little guy right here. But we are starting with the entry grade. Let me tell you something about these entry grade things. I love them. Sometimes I don't have a lot of time, like hours to build something. So then we just kind of get into this in like 30 minutes. I'm pretty much done, and you get a cool little action figure with it, man. It's let's just get into it. Alright, so let's get started. So what I really like about these entry grade models, guys, it's like if you take a look at the instructions, they're so straightforward. It's nothing too complicated. If you're ever thinking about getting into building these, please find yourself an entry grade model and you'll be like, wow, this is easy. Because honestly, it's literally the same steps, just in like larger portions. Like when you get to the high grades and the other stuff, it's just longer steps, but it's honestly the same thing. And I mean, yeah, when you get to the high grade and stuff, you might need like clippers and sanding stuff, but if you're just trying to try it out, I suggest you guys do an entry grade. Especially this guy right here. I paid what, $16 for this guy? I bet you spent $16 on worse stuff that you've used for like one time and never picked up again. So, it's not too bad. Guys, we finally did it. So roughly this guy right here took me about 30 minutes or so. I gotta say, probably one of my most favorite builds, as it was very simple, and this guy looks amazing, guys. We're about to take a close look at him. Honestly, he gave me everything I wanted. If I would have started this with my first build, I would have been happy. This is something else, guys. These entry grades are such a great place to start. It honestly it scratches every itch. Trust me, it's there. And this guy, man, he's worth putting up on my shelf. So with further ado, let's check it out.